Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back, and today we are going to make a house with Skittles. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, as I said before, to make a house with Skittles, you just need some Skittles. And as always, guys, there is not a wrong way, there is not a right way to make a house with Skittles. You just have to use your imagination. Then you can just make whatever you want. So you start off with a straight line for your house, as you can see. Here we are, and you just want to keep on building. There we go. Then one more. Here we are. So there's different types of houses you can make. I'm making a Babatunde house, which is it's a type of mud house that you can make. So you want to do this and just keep on doing this until you have like a rectangle. As you can see now we have a rectangle. And now for the roof, you want to get two of these like so. Be careful, and two like that. Put it in an angle, and then you should have the roof taking place like so. So just be careful not to mess them up. Then you should have your roof taking place. There we are. So you should have a shape like this, and now we want to do is build the door. So all houses should have a door. So let's go. So just start in the middle like this with two colors, and then you put one. Let's do the door a bit bigger, so make it 3 and then 1. There we are. And now what else does the house have? Windows. So let's go and make the windows. So here we are. Just with 4 Skittles we are going to make a window. Be careful not to mess it up. If you mess up, then you can just, rearrange them again. That is not an issue. There we go. Then one more for the window. There we are. So as you can see, the house is taking shape, but we are missing a drive. So you want to add a driveway for your house. So you want to add, maybe you want to add a nice little tree for your house here. So you just do this. Then you can make a tree like so, like this, like this, like that, like this, like that, like this, like that, like this. Then you can add a chimney. There we are. And that is how you make a a house and a tree using Skittles. As always guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Try this at home. There is not a wrong way. It's all about having fun and trying to make something out of Skittles. See what you can make, and as always, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe, and I'm going to show you next time how to make some more stuff using Skittles. And you know the best stuff is, once you are done, you can just clear it out like this and then make something else. Okay guys, catch you on the next video. Goodbye.